Okay, let's look at the homework 2.5, 2.6, number 3, right? So we want to take the derivative of this given function, right? So let's do that. Alright, so first thing I would do is I don't like square root, so I'm going to rewrite it as x to the 1/2 power, right? Then you have a quantity x minus 1 squared, right? Right, so let's take the derivative. Right, so since you have a product of two things, multiplication between two factors right there, so I'm going to use a product rule. So derivative, so y prime is going to be equal to, right, derivative of the first, so put the power in front, then x, raise it to the, subtract 1 from the power, so it's negative 1/2. Right, times the second, so just copy the second part, so it's quantity x minus 1 squared plus, right, first guy, which is x to the 1/2 power, right, then times, right, derivative of the second guy, so it's general power rule, and 2, right, keep the same quantity x minus 1, right, subtract 1, so first power, times derivative inside, it's 1 anyway, so maybe I'll just write that. Alright, then we'll try to pull out the common factor. Alright, since I don't want to deal with the negative power, so I'm gonna factor out actually 1/2, right, x to the negative 1/2, factor it out. Right, so this whole thing, and also quantity x minus 1. Right, so I'll factor that out, so here, and factor that out from this term. Right, so the tricky part is the first term is pretty simple. What's left is, since this guy is factored out and one of these guys is factored out, so you have just another x minus 1 left. Right, then here, since x minus 1 is out, right, so if you factor 1/2 from 2, that will make it 4, so it's going to be a plus 4 times, right, and also you're taking out x to the negative 1/2 is factored out, so this is going to be x to the 1/2 becomes, so if you factor that, so divide by x to the negative 1/2, it's going to give you actually just x. Alright, then simplify that, so this is going to be, alright, so x to the negative 1/2 power is actually 1 over square root of x, so it's going to be on the bottom, you would have 2 square root of x, then you have x minus 1, and this is going to be 5x minus 1. Alright, so that's that. Let's see if this is correct. Alright, and answer was quantity x minus 1 times 5x minus 1, then divided by 2 times square root of x. Right, oh, actually, so that's not where I want it to be. Let's cut that out. Right, so I need to go there, so it's I'm gonna put the square root there, x. Right, let's see if this is correct. Go down and check. Okay, it came back as the correct answer. All right, so that's it. I hope that this was clear.